Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to see that our integers last exercise, which is 7, related to the Telangana State Board. Right? So in today's video, we are going to see that all the that's the word problem only in our exercise 7. So we are going to solve that word problems, each and every word problem with a easy and clearly way. So don't worry about it. This exercise 7 is totally hard. Lot of students think about it, it is a hard and it is a different, they didn't understand. So don't worry about it. In the end of this video, you will have not a single doubt in this exercise 7. I will give my 100% to teach you this exercise in very clearly and understandable way to you. Okay, so let's see this one here. So if you see here, the first question is given that in the class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. So the first of all, going to go through the solving. Let me explain the first question. The first question is telling that there is a one class test held in the in a school, like in our school also the class test is containing. So like that here also the class test is going on. So the teacher give 15 question to the students. Okay, the teacher given the 15 question to the students, and he said that if you correct one question, I will give the 4 marks to you. That what the teacher said? The teacher said that if you correct one question, I will give 4 marks to you. If you incorrect one question, I will give -2 marks to you. It is a negative marks. So here you will see the 4 marks for the correct answer and -2 marks for the incorrect answer. Okay, if you do one incorrect answer, you will get -2. If you do 2, then you will get 4. Okay, so like that, if you correct one, you will get 4 marks. If you correct 2 question, you will get 8 marks. Okay, I hope you will understand the question. So dear, here you can see this is our first question. Is that the first question is telling that Bharati attempts all the questions. So here the Bharati attend all the 15 questions. All questions means how many questions is there? 15 questions there. So Bharati attended all the 15 questions, but 9 answers are correct. But Bharati attended how much question he attend? All question means, so here actually my handwriting is something bad, but I try to write this one here. So all question means he attended 15 questions. So correct how many correct answer he writed? He answered the 9 correct. So correct means, okay, how much he did correct? He corrected only 9 questions. So it means that he will, what is her score? What it is asking that what will he'll score, how much marks he will get. So before, if you see how many questions, 15 questions, that's good. How many correct he did? He did 9 correct. Then there is going to be wrong also. Okay, how many wrong answer he will attended, how many wrong answer he attend? So if you -15 -9, if you -15 into the -9, because total question is 15, his totally 9 answer is correct, but how many wrongs? So when you subtract this, you will get, so there is a 6 he attended wrong. So wrong answer he attend, that is the 6 only. Okay, all question 15 correct, he corrected 9. How many wrong he did? He did 6 wrong. Okay, so now what is total score? So dear, we know that if Bharati correct one question, it will get 4 marks. So here how many he corrected? He corrected 9 questions, then he will get 4 marks. It means that we have to multiply by the 4. So that is the total 36 only. So how many marks he get for the correcting? For correcting he get 36. Okay, right. If you see dear, for one wrong answer, how many marks he will lose? He will lose -2 marks for if he did incorrect, then the teacher will cut the marks with the total marks. Okay, for the incorrect answer, if he attained incorrect answer, the teacher give -2 marks. Okay, so how many wrong he did? He did 6 wrong question, then 2 marks for the wrong. So how many total it is? -12. so here we have to multiply by the -2. so you know that this is going to be -12. so here we understand that how many correct marks he getted? He getted 36 marks for correct. And how many marks he get for the wrong answer? -12 marks he got for the wrong answer. But did you think this is a final answer of the Bharti? No, this is not a final. Here we are telling that the teacher telling 9 he corrected, 6 he did wrong. Okay, but how many marks he got by 9? 9 if it is corrected, and how many marks he got by the if it is correcting 9? Then 36 marks. If C done the wrong, then how many marks he get? -12. But what is the total score? How much the guy get? So will you not write 36 he get? Because 36 he did right, but wrong C also did wrong also. But how we will find the total score? When we subtract the correct and wrong to the each other, we will get the our total marks. So the total marks, so here total question is 15, but he attended all the question. It means that 36 marks he did correct, 36 marks he did correct, but in this he also did wrong. So 12 marks he lost. So when we subtract this one, this is 4, this is 2, this is 22. So what is the total score of Bharti? So the total score we can write, okay, here the total score we will write. The total score is, we can write here 24 marks. Okay, 24 marks. So I hope this is clear to you and you will have not a doubt in this one. Okay, I understand. Here he attended all the question. Don't be confused. Gayatri attended all the question. 9 is correct, 6 is wrong. If you add this, this is 15. For the correcting one answer, he got 4 marks. So 9 correcting, so then 4 marks for that, 36. For wrong, -2 marks. So he did 6 wrong, so 12 marks. But what is the total score? So he corrected 36 wrong here. If you subtract correct from wrong, you will get the total marks. How many marks he attended? 24 marks he get. Okay, sorry, C get, not he get. Okay, first is clear. Now come to the second one. One of her friend Hema, Gayatri friend, that's name is Hema, attempt only 5 questions. Actually Hema attended how many question? He attended only 5 question and all are correct. What will be her score? Actually I read something. Okay, so I think if you have any doubt, then you can check the question also. Okay na? Because right, so let's see this one. So but actually here it is nothing for the, like if it is the total question is 15, but Hema attend only 5 questions. Hema attend only 5 questions. So there is a, if you didn't attend any question, there is no marks for that one. So nothing in this one. Okay, so let me understand this question here. Okay, so the question I will read again. So the question is, one of our friend Hema attend only 5 questions. Hema, how many question Hema attend? The total question is total question. Okay, the total question is 15, but Hema attended, leave it. Okay, Hema attend, so write the Hema attends only 5 question. Okay, and all are correct. So whatever the question he attend, it is all correct. What will her total score? And let's see the this is a correct one. Okay, Hema attempt 5 question and corrected are 5 he attend, that is correct. Wrong, no wrong answer he attended, there is nothing is there. Okay, so here correct answer are 5 question he attended, and that's are correct only. So 1 marks for the correct. If you did one question correct, that's giving the 4 marks. Okay, if you do one question correct, they are giving 4 marks. So here he did 5 correct, then how many marks he will get? 4. Then that is going to be 20. Okay, so what is her score? So did Hema did any wrong question? No, he didn't did. So we will not attend this one. So we directly write here. Okay, so we directly write okay, so we will write the what will her total score. So we will write that total score is 20. Why 20 is there? Because Hema attend 5 question only. Hema attend 5 question. Total question is 15. But there is a no, if you like 10 question he didn't attend. So for the not attending the question, there is a no negative marks. Okay, there is only marks for the correct answer. For the correct answer 4 marks. For incorrect answer -2 marks. So for the not attending question there is a no marks. So like that only. So Hema attend 5 question only. That is true only. That is the correct. For the correct he attend 1 marks for the 4 marks for correct answer each question. So here attend 5 correct answer, then it is going to be multiplied by 4. That is the 20 marks. 20 marks is got for the correct answer. For the wrong question he didn't did any wrong answer only. So we will not write because he didn't attend the wrong. So there is a 0 marks. So what will total score? 20 only, because 20 is there. He attend 5 question only. In that 5 it's all are correct only. There is a no. So that's the 20 answer. Okay, right, I hope you will understand. Okay, if you didn't understand anywhere, so don't be fear. You in the comment you can write that did you understand or not. If you didn't understand, I will explain this exercise again, because I know there is a lots of weak student who will not get a understanding by 1 times or 2 times. If you don't want to be, if you want to be repeat the video, you can repeat and watch. But if you didn't understand, then tell me, I will explain by the very easy method. If you didn't understand from my this explanation, then I will try to improve that. I will explain you in another way also. Okay, but I am giving the best of best my in here. Okay, now so let's see this. So the second question is that a cement company earned profit 9 rupees per bag of white cement. Actually the cement company earned how many profit? 9 rupees profit of white cement. If like there is a company factory, it is a cement factory. When that company sell white cement, he 1 bag white cement, he will get 9 rupees profit. Okay, like let's suppose this is a 1 biscuit package there. If you sell 1 biscuit packet, you will get 9 rupees profit. Okay, let's suppose, and loss 5 rupees bag in gray cement. Let's suppose if you have like chocolate, okay, like chocolate factory. Okay, when you sell the chocolate, one packet of chocolate, when you sell, you will get -5 rupees loss. Okay, so like that here only. So it is saying that 9 rupees he get profit in 1 bag of white cement, and when he sold the gray cement, he get loss 5 rupees loss. Like that here you can understand. You have a chocolate factory. When you sell 1 packet chocolate, you will get 5 rupees loss. When you sell 1 packet biscuit, you will get 9 rupees profit. Okay, like that you will understand. Okay, so now let's see the first question here. The company sell 7,000 bags of white cement. So how many bags he sell? 7,000 white cement. So just write this here. Okay, so actually I try to be okay, right? I try to okay, so white bag. So we have to write the white bag. Okay, white cement bags. So white cement bags, how much he sold? He sold it that much, 7,000. Okay, that's good. 6,000 bags of gray cement in a month. So he say how many he gray cement, how many gray cement he sold it? So let's write the gray cement here. Okay, write the gray cement. Okay, gray cement bags. Okay, gray cement bags, how many gray cements he sold? He sold 6. Okay, right. Okay, that's the good. 6,000. Okay, 6,000 gray cement he sold it. How many white cement he sold? 7,000 white cement and 6,000 gray cement he sold it. Right now it is asking what is its profit or loss. You have to tell what he get. They are getting profit or loss. So you know that if he sell one bag of white cement, they are getting 9 rupees profit. When they are selling the one bag of gray cement, they are getting 5 rupees loss. So when we multiply 9 rupees profit with the 7,000 bags, when we multiply the minus 5 rupees loss with the gray cement, we will get the how many he get loss or profit. Okay, so right, first I will go through that one. Okay, so we know that if he sell one bag of white cement, he will get 9 rupees profit. So how many bags he sold? He sold 7,000 bags. Then multiply by 9. If you multiply by 9, you will understand how many profit he get. One bag he get 9 rupees profit. If he sell two bags, then if you multiply by 2, that is going 80 rupees profit. Then he sells 7,000 bags, then 9 rupees from one bag, 9 rupees. So if you multiply by 9, you will get the price, how many bags how many profit he generated. So if you multiply 9 into 7 or 7 into 9, that is going to be 72, I think. Okay, 72 only na, you can multiply. Okay, 72 only, because I know that. Okay, or 72 or 73 it is. Okay, once I check, because you know I know table in like you can say in active language, I know the table. Okay, so you can check this one. Okay, right, it is okay. Now when you see that gray cement bags, so when he sold one gray cement bag, he lost 5 rupees. If he sell two gray cement bags, he will lose 5 rupees, means it is going to lose 10 rupees. When he sell 3 bags of white cement, he lost 15 rupees. Like that only, when he sell the 600 bags, then he will how many rupees he lost. So when if you multiply, this is going to be 30, and that's 30, that's the 30,000. And when you multiply 7 into 9, you can just say 63 only. 63, this is that. So here we generally see that. Okay, I will erase this one. So here we can see this is a profit. P means profit. Okay, I will write with another pen. So here we can see, here this is a profit and this is a loss. So what is its profit or loss? We can generally not say what is profit. His profit is 63,000, its loss is 30,000. When we what we do, when we subtract, we will understand. So let's subtract this. So this is a 60,000 by 30,000. When we subtract, we will understand. So that much amount is left. Okay, that much amount. So it is a profit only. So it's profit, we can write it's profit. Okay, it's profit. How many profit it is? It is total 33,000 profit. So this is our answer. Okay, is it clear? Why I subtract? Because its profit is that much, loss is that much. Like if you suppose you have a 10 rupees, you are given the 3 rupees to your brother, then how many rupees you have left? When you subtract this, you will understand 7 rupees is left. You have a 10 rupees, you are given 3 rupees to your brother, then how many rupees you have? You have a 7 rupees. Like that only, he has 63 rupees and he given 30 rupees to another one, then how much left? 33,000. Okay, how? This is his 63,000 is his profit, he lost 30,000. Then you can calculate it. Okay, right? So I hope you will understand. Now the question is that what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit or non-loss? Okay, so it is asking that if what will be the how many bags if you sell they have no profit. It is asking that how many white cement bags if you sell that where you will not get profit or loss. So here he said that gray cement bag sold. How many gray cement bags sold? So here you can write, okay, gray bag sold. How many gray bags he sold? That much gray bag he sold. Then how many loss he did? If he sold one gray cement, he will get 5 rupees loss. Then here, if you multiply 5 with 5, you will get the answer. So here I will write only, okay, because there is lots of space here. So if you multiply, then you will understand that's the 20, and 2 here, 20, 27. That's the, and this 2. Then this is 27,000 rupees he lost, means he lost. So if you know that for the white cement, white bag, how many white bag he sold? How many white bag he that person have to sold that he will not get profit or not get loss? So how many bag he have to sold? Because here we see that he sold it 5,400 bags and he losses 27,000. Then how many white cement bag we have to sell that where we will get not profit or not loss? So if you know that if we sell one white bag, he get 9 rupees profit. So we have to divide 9 rupees with this one from the this particularly. Then we will understand how many bags we have to sold, because white bags profit is one bag. If he sold, he get 9 rupees profit. So when we divide our profit by the loss, when we divide our profit by the loss, we will get the particular answer. So how we will get? When we divide 9 by 27, that's 30. Then 9 3s are 27, and as 30 become here only. Okay, so the answer is that 3. This is a 3,000. Okay, right, 3,000 only. No, this is a 3,000. Okay, so that person have sell the 3,000s. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, this 3,000. So white bag cement, how many white bag we have to sold? We have to check the 3,000 white bags. If you have confused like no, this is wrong, so you can multiply 3,000 by 9, because one bag sold in 9 rupees. So if you multiply, that's the 27. So there is a no profit, no loss. So white bags have sold at 3,000. If that person sold 3,000 white bags, he will not get any profit or any losses. How I do this question? So here the gray bag sold it that much. How many loss he get? 27,000 rupees loss. So how many bags he have to sold that he will get not loss? So when we divide with the 9, this is a profit only. So this is a 9 rupees. If he sell the one bag, he get to 9 rupees profit. So when I divide with this loss money, so we will get that if he sell the 300 bags, then he will not get the any profit or any losses. This is a simple question, nothing in this one, because I know that this question get lot of confusion. Lot of students, they also didn't understand right now also, but there is a lot of students who will understand. Okay, but if you didn't understand this question, I already marked a star. You just leave the comment if you didn't understand. I will explain again to you. Okay, so right, let's see this. That's the question. This is an interesting question. I'm totally agree with this question, the temperature question. Okay, why I'm telling this is an interesting question? Because actually when I was in the class of my 7th class also, I can tell you I didn't study 6th, 7th or 8th, 7th class. I directly studied the 8th class and directly 10th class. So I know that this is a very interesting question. A lot of students, they cannot answer this question. Okay, but don't worry about it. You are my student and you will definitely answer this question. Okay, so let's start. There is a 2 question in this one. The temperature at 12 noon was the 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Okay, so question is that the temperature was 10 degree above the 0, 10 degrees Celsius in the 12 noon. It is decreasing at the rate of 2 degree per hour. Per hour, how many it is decreasing? Decreasing means, remember that's 10 above. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius, you have to remember that. And decreasing at the rate of decreasing means it is minus 2. Decreasing means it is minus 2 degree decreasing. Okay, it is decreasing by the speed of minus 2 degree 1 hour within the 1 hours. Okay, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? So the question is asking that then what time would the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius. So the question is that in which time 8 degrees Celsius will be. Okay, if it is decreasing, then which time the it is asking time below zero. Okay, so it is asking time. Actually this question become khichdi, so actually you will not understand anything. This question I make like khichdi. In simple way I can tell you, here it is asking two questions to you. It is asking that what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius. So the question is simple, in which time the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius. Simple, in which time, like 7 hours, in 7 o'clock, in 8 o'clock, in morning, in evening, in which time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. The first question is this one only. The second question is that what would be the temperature at midnight. Then what will be the temperature of midnight? Midnight means it is a totally asking about the 12 of 12. Okay, so let's solve the first question. I will write the first one, you can change like that. So the question generally, this is a 10 degree above Celsius, the total is 10 degrees Celsius. So this is minus 2 degree per hour. It is decreasing. How many decreasing? It is decreasing minus 2 degree per hour, and you can write like that, you can just leave it like that. Okay, so we just write first of all this one only. Okay, this is a 10 degree. Okay, and it is decreasing and the rate of the minus 2 degrees Celsius it is decreasing. Okay, 2x we can write, leave it like that. You, in the simple way I can tell you. First let's see this. The first question is this one only na. So it is telling it minus 8 degree below. Below means it is minus 8. It is minus 8. Below means minus 8. Then put equal sign. Then the total temperature in the above it is 10 degree. Write 10 degree. Then after that, what is it is? It is decreasing in the minus 2 degree. In minus 2 degrees Celsius it is decreasing. So when we solve this, this is a positive. It is going that side. It is minus 10. It become, and that's minus 2x. Okay, and when you solve this one, it is going to be minus 2 into minus 2x. Okay, I think okay, no problem. This is 10 only, and it is plus, it is going to minus. Oh no, this I did wrong here. So here if you see minus it's plus, so minus 18 it will be, and here it is minus 2x. So already know that. So this is going to be x equals to my that's not going here, it is going to be down, or otherwise it is like that. Okay, I can simply like, so it is going to be minus 8, it is going to be down, minus 2 equals to x, then it is 9, so it is going to be minus 9 or x. But here you know minus get cancelled, so it is also cancelled. Okay, so how I have to tell you, just see that. So 2 1 ja 1, 2 9 ja, it is cancelled, minus also cancelled. So answer is 9. In the 9 p.m. or sorry, I cannot say the 9 p.m. or anything, but in the 9, okay, so in the 9 p.m. only, it is asking about midnight. So 9 p.m. the temperature will be 0 degrees Celsius below. In the 9 you can write here, in the 9 p.m. the temperature, you can write the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Okay, you can write like that. Okay, so may I go to the next question? What would be temperature at the midnight? It is asking the that in the midnight what will be the temperature. So I will use this pen here. So if you know that the temperature from the 12 noon to the midnight, it is 12 hours. From the, if you know that from the 12 noon to the midnight, the hour is totally 12 hours. Okay, now temperature decreasing in the rate of temperature decreasing. Okay, temperature decreasing in the rate of minus 2 degree, or you can say it is a 2 degree, decreasing by the 2 degree. Okay, so what we have to do, when you multiply this both to you, it is going to be 24 Celsius. Okay, so temperature decreasing, how many speed of the temperature decreasing in minus 24 speeds. Okay, 24. And then what temperature at midnight? So the midnight temperature is 10 degree and right now it is going to be 24 degree. So when you subtract this is a minus 14 degree Celsius. Okay, so if you didn't understand, then I can tell you, it is asking about the what would be the temperature at midnight. In the night time, what will be temperature? So the total hour is 12 hours only, so here it is written 12 hours. Okay, and temperature decreasing in the rate of 2 hours. Here you know that 2 hours the temperature decreasing. Okay, it's 2 hours. When you multiply this, you will get 24 degree Celsius. Means that how many temperature is decreasing? Temperature total decrease at 24. Okay, 24 degrees Celsius temperature is already decreased. So what then the question is already here, it is given like what would be the temperature. Okay, here the above the 0, but the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius in that time. Then when we subtract from 10 to the minus 24, then we will get particularly temperature of the midnight. Okay, because here it is already written that in the afternoon the temperature was 10 degree Celsius above 0. It means that it is positive, it is above, not below, it is above. That's why we minus this one and we get minus 14 answer. Okay, I hope you will understand. This is a very interesting question. This is also important. Okay, now so let's come to the hour. Again this question came. This is very interesting question. Again it came. Okay, so I want to drink water because till 13 minutes I am speaking. Okay, so this is the last question. I think fourth one is our last question. Okay, I think this is the last one. Let's see this one. Fifth one is also there. Oh my god, fifth one is also there. Okay, I think fifth one is last one. Okay, don't worry, this is last one question. In the 10 minutes I will complete this. Okay, in 10 minutes I complete. Okay, so the question is telling, in a class test 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Simply same question for the correct answer. Okay, listen carefully. For the correct answer, how many marks they are giving? They are giving 3 marks. 3 marks for the correct answer, and minus 2 marks are given for incorrect answer, and no marks for the not attend question. Like if the student do not attend any question, there is no marks. If you attend a question, you will get marks. Like this is a 5 question, this is 2 question are there. If you attend one question, then they will give marks for the one question only. If you didn't understand one question, there is no marks for the another question. Like there is 2 questions are there, you are attending one question, but if the answer is right, then you will get right answer marks. If your answer is wrong, you will get wrong answer marks. And the question 1 you didn't attend, so there is no marks for that one. Okay, right. So let's see that question here. So it is about Radhika. Okay, Radhika scored 20 marks. How many marks Radhika scored? Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answer, Radhika get how many answer? 12 correct answer. Then how many question he attended incorrectly? So Radhika scored total, you can say scored. Radhika scored. So scored. How many marks he has scored? He has scored 20 marks. Okay, I can write 20 marks only. M I written. 12 correct answer. How many correct answer? Correct you can write. Okay, correct answers are how many correct? 12 correct answers. Okay. Then how many wrong answer? Incorrect. I can write incorrect here because we have to find the incorrect. Okay, how many wrong incorrect answer he have to attend? So we know that Radhika scored 20 marks. He has scored the 20 marks. That's clear. Correct answer. She get 12 correct answer. So how many correct answer he get? He get 12 correct answer. Then it means that how many? Then we will understand that how many 1 marks. For 1 marks, if he did 1 correct answer, then he will get 3 marks. Then he did a 12 correct answer, then he will get 3 into, if you multiply by 3, it is going to be 6 and 3, 36 marks. 36 marks he get for the correct answer, but for the incorrect answer how many marks he will get? So here it is written that -2 marks for the, if you did one wrong answer you will get -2 marks, but we don't know total score. How many total score? He has scored total 20 marks. How many he corrected? He attained 12 correct answer. So the 12 correct answer if he attained, then 36 marks for the correct answer, and wrong answer we don't know. Here listen carefully, he attended the 12 correct. The 12 correct answer is 36 marks. 36 marks for the correct answer, but incorrect answer we don't know. Then he has scored a total 20 marks only. So how we will know that how many marks he incorrected? So when we subtract the total our correct marks into the how many scored, we will understand how many marks he didn't how many he attended wrongly. So here total correct answer is 36. Okay, how many he has scored? He has scored 20. So it means that 16. Okay, it means that 16 marks he getted for the incorrect answer. How many marks he getted? He getted 16 marks. 16 marks he get for the incorrect answer. Incorrect answer means when we divide 16 into 2, it is 8 only. Why? Because 8 question. How many question he attended? 8 question he attended wrong. Radhika, how many question attended he wrong? 8 question he attended the wrong. Why? Because 2 marks for the incorrect answer. So 12 marks he attended. So it means that when you divide by 2, you will get 8 answer. Why? Because 8 question he did it wrong. Okay. So C attended incorrectly. How many attended? 68 question. So we can write 8 question. So we can write here 8 question C attempt. Okay, C attempted incorrectly. Okay, incorrectly. Okay, so actually my handwriting is bad here, so you can fix this. Incorrectly. Okay, it is clear, right? So now let's see. Mohini scored -5 marks in the test. So Mohini get -5 marks. That girl in the very down, he get 0, above the 0 also. Brilliant guy. So in the test she got 7 correct answer, and how many questions she attempted incorrectly? Then if you know that, let's see this. How many question he attended? He attended 7 question correctly. 7 question he attended the correctly. Okay, so I will write some in different way. Okay, so how many correctly? Okay, so correct, how many questions she attend? She attend 7 correct answer. For 1 correct we are giving 3 marks. For 7 into 3, that is 21 marks. So 21 marks he has scored for the correct answer. But how many incorrectly she attend? For that one we have to minus this one. So when we minus 21 into 5, this is going to be 16. Okay, this is going to be 16. Then how many marks he attended? 8 marks. Okay, so okay, right? Okay, so 8 marks totally he are getting or not, but we cannot say, because this is we will add here. Okay, why? Because this is 8 marks, not 13 exactly. If you add this, 26. Okay, how it is? Because -5 marks they are getting negative marks. They are not getting 0 also, they are getting negative marks. So that's why if you do like this, if you minus 16 if you get, it is wrong. Why it is wrong? I tell you here, I explain you. See, how many correct? He did 7. For 21 marks he get for 7. But what is the marks? What marks he has scored? He has scored -5 marks, very negative. So we have to add this marks. We have to add this one also and this one. Why I am adding this one? Because he are getting the below the 0 also. That's why we have to add. When we add, it is 26. Okay, so how many marks he getting for the wrong answer? 2 marks. Okay, so when you divide 2 by 26, it is going to be 18. So incorrect. How many incorrect? Okay, incorrectly she attend totally 18 incorrectly. Okay, so we can write C attempt. Okay, C attempt 18 incorrectly. Okay na? Okay, incorrectly. Okay, I hope you will understand this one. Okay, is it clear? Right now let's see this on last one. It is okay na? This is the last one, which is very easy here. Okay. So an evolution decreasing into the mine shaft the rate of 6 meter per minute. So the 6 minute, remember 6 meter per minute in 1 minute, or you can say per minute means 1 minute. Okay, per minute. Okay, per minute. Okay, right, per minute, 6 meters per minute. If it is starting from 10 meter above, like this is a land, in the 10 meter above it is starting and it is going in the down of the this land. Okay, he reaches the minus 35 meters in the downwards. It is starting from that position in the above of the okay, in the above of 10 meters above it is starting and it is going deeply into 350 meters. Okay, so it is asking that how long will it take to reach 350 meters from here, how many hours he will take to reach. So we know that this is a meter, don't think minute. So when we add this one and this one, why I am adding? Because it is starting from, let's first of all let's count how many meters it have total. Let's find the total meters. Total meter we have to find, total meter. So it is starting from 10 meter above, and how many meters here going? It is going to minus 35 meters. So when we add this both one, because this is not below, this is above, so this is a 360. So this is a 360 meters. Okay, 360 meters. Okay, this is a 360 meters. I will write meters here. 360 meters. Okay, they are getting 360 meters. 360 meter they have to go. Okay, so we know that 6 meter they are going in 1 minute. So when we divide 6 into this one, this is going to be 60. In the 60 minutes, in 360 meters they will go into the 60 minutes. So we know that 1 hour have 60 minutes. So our answer is 1 hour. From 1 hours, so here how long will it take to reach in 350 meters? So they will take 1 hour to reach in minus 350 meters. Okay, this is our answer. Why? Because it is starting from 10 meters above the ground. This is a ground. From the above ground it is starting from 10 meters. In the down they have to go minus 350 meter. So will you not count the 10 meter? Okay, because this is a 365 meters in the down one, but what about it is starting from the above one? We will add both. Then when we add this both, it is 360 meter. Then total is 360 meter they have to be dig. Okay, then how many hours they will take? So they are getting, if they are digging 6 meters, they are taking 1 minute. So when we divide 6, if they are digging 6 meters, they are taking 1 minute. So when I divide the 360 meters by 6, this is going to be 16 minutes. In 16 minutes they are digging 360. So we know that 1 hour have 60 minutes, so we can write directly 1 hours, because 16 minutes means 1 hour only. So directly I write the 1 hours to reach in 350 meters. We are counted the from 10 meters above also and down one also, because okay. So I hope this is clear here. Okay, because this exercise is still here. There is a 5 question in that one, and I given my best to you, and I hope you will understand. But there is lots of students who will confuse somewhere, and they have not, their doubt is not clear. I know that. Okay, because I cannot see directly your face. If I see your face, then directly I can explain you. Okay, but whenever you get doubt, don't confuse, don't worry about it, don't think lot of whatever you getting doubt in this question, just write your question, or just tell me where, in which question number you are getting doubt, and comment me. I definitely solve your doubt. Okay, don't worry about it. In mathematics, anywhere you are getting doubt in any class or anywhere, you just leave a comment. I definitely solve your doubts to you. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and we will meet in our next video with our mathematics 7th class chapter 2. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.